My name is Deanna Flook, and I'm a graduate from the Early Childhood Advanced Studies and Special Needs program at Humber College. The most memorable experience I had at Humber was probably during my placements. I was fortunate enough to be placed at York Region Early Intervention and Durham Infant Child Development Program. And there I was able to implement all the skills that I learned in class and work with children and families one-on-one, and I had excellent teachers that I studied under. I really learned how to reflect on my experiences, and especially when working with families with special needs, discussing sensitive topics, being able to walk away and really reflect. That was a skill that I learned in the program. My experience at Humber was fantastic. I really felt that I meshed with my classmates. My instructors were always available to help me out. The material was extremely relevant. I would definitely recommend Humber.